Hey, Southern Cruisers here. This is going to be a review and a little tour of the Embassy Suites in downtown Montgomery, Alabama. Showing you the outside of the hotel because I want to show you the location and why I like to stay here. There's the Renaissance. I'm here on business. I'm here for a conference, and that is where I go each morning. You're also right here at the riverfront. There's a cool Hank Williams statue that way. I'll try to put a picture of that in the video. There's a Hank Williams Museum if you're into that. Over there is a nice Thai restaurant over there at Union Station. If you like barbecue, we got Dreamland just down the street that way. Lots of restaurants. Winslow's Oyster House. Tons of restaurants, tons of places to eat right here. It's actually one of my favorite places to stay when I'm in Montgomery, and we stay here because it's cheaper than the Renaissance across the street. And you get the free breakfast, the free drinks in the evening. We'll take a little walk inside. This is the entrance. Front desk is to the left. Cool little sitting area here. I'll have another video of the breakfast. I really like the omelets. Spoiler alert. This is where the late night reception. It's not late night. Where the nightly reception is. It's right here. They also have a full bar, some snacks. This is the restaurant, Grill 300. Honestly, I've never eaten here, but people say it's good. Right there is where they have the snacks, and they have, like, you know, pretzels and salsa and cheese cubes, stuff like that. Let's see. Oh, let me get a shot of the atrium. They fully renovated this hotel within the last year or two. We used to come here before it was renovated. It's completely different. See if I can take a peek inside the gym. Nope. My card not working. Looks like my card. Oh, there it goes. This is the gym. Got free weights, machines. It's pretty good. May not be able to go in the pool. There we go. Here's the pool. Man, when our daughter was younger, I had to go to the pool. It's just me this trip, and I did not come to the pool. I think they used to have a hot tub in here, but like I said, they've redone the hotel. It's pretty nice. Spoiler alert, we recommend staying here. I like the hotel. Yeah. Come back out into the main atrium area. And stay tuned, and we'll have I'll have a video of breakfast and a little tour of my room. I stayed in 531. That corner right there is where the ice machines are. And on the 5th floor is where guest laundry is. I'll talk about that a little bit more later. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. You can like this video if you like hotel reviews. We do cruise information videos, cruise reviews, cruise tours, barbecue, all that good stuff. Okay, this is a view outside my room. Staying in 531 at the Montgomery Downtown Embassy. About to head down and have breakfast. It's one of the reasons we like to stay at embassies. They have really good breakfast, so head on down. Got glass elevators. It's a really nice hotel. It's been renovated within the last couple of years. We've stayed here many times, and we usually enjoy our stay. All right, so this is the buffet. Let's see what they have today. Got eggs. This is the line to get an omelet. Sorry, excuse me. All right, so as you can see, I did wait in line to get an omelet and some bacon because the buffet honestly didn't look all that appetizing, but this looks great. I'm sure it'll be just as good as it looks. I had to wait about 15 minutes, which is, I don't know, a little longer than typical for embassies, but this one's packed out because of a conference. But yeah, looks like a good breakfast. Highly recommend. Okay, we'll do a little room tour. This is room 531 at the Embassy Suites, Montgomery, downtown. We've stayed at this hotel many times. We like this hotel. It's a good deal. I think it's about $150 a night. Actually, that's a government rate, so you might not be able to get that. You have to check. It's got a nice desk area I've set up as my office, away from my office. So I've actually been getting some work done while I've been here at the conference. Supposed to be getting away from work. Got a nice little bar area, a wet bar. It's got a refrigerator, which I'm taking advantage of. A microwave, which I haven't used yet. This is the bathroom. Bathroom's been nice, no issues there. Like I say, plenty of space. A lot of times we stay here with the family, me, my wife, and daughter. We like this hotel. It's been recently renovated, I think about 2 years ago. And so it's nice. I got a king bed because it's just me. Plenty of space in here. There's another desk in here. If you have somebody that needs to do homework, makeup, whatever. This is the closet. It's got an iron and an ironing board. Never used that. It's got a safe. I am staying, my room is at the front of the hotel facing the river. It's got a good view. I don't think you can quite see the river from here. Just on the other side of the train tracks there. The Montgomery Biscuits baseball stadium is right over there. The Renaissance, where the conference I'm going to, is right there across the street. So it's real convenient. There's lots of restaurants. Can't see from here, but there's a cool Hank Williams statue right over there and a Hank Williams museum just down the street. So yeah, I've enjoyed staying here. I would stay here again. It's a good value. Only minor complaint that I would have is if you like to get ice, the 5th floor is not the floor to stay on. This is where they have guest laundry, but no ice machine. So if you like to do laundry, stay on the 5th floor. If you'd like to go to the ice machine like I do, any other floor. All right, Southern Cruisers out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We do hotel reviews, a lot of cruise information, cruise reviews, barbecue. Y'all have a great day. Bye.